things in life you forget they'll pass you by. It's the simple things in life.
Welcome back everyone. It's been a while for us. We have not done a proper vlog for a very long time. Very excited to make some new stuff, and we're on our way into Oxford Circus into central London to go and insure our brand new camera, brand new lens, and then we're going to head to the Christmas markets. We're trying to find the Christmas market on the bank of the River Thames, and we ended up going to the wrong train station, and then Chris got caught in the train doors. We're at the right train station now. We've seen this, took some really nice pictures, so if you want to see them, head over to our Instagram, which will pop up somewhere along the top any second now. And we're going to walk this way for 10 minutes, and apparently we should get there, but my phone's not very reliable when it comes to maps, so bear with me, okay?
Don't like paella? That's really nice. But I've got this like rocket fuel sauce. It's gonna blow my head off, but I'm hard. Let's try it. Ooh. Oh, that is a bit hot. That's a little bit lively, that.
Yeah. On ASAP. If Cody decides to hurry up and get her food, I can go and get me beer, can't I?
Give it away this year to save me from tears. Give it to someone special.
We may not have spoke all that much in today's vlog, but it was more for us about getting used to the new lens and camera, and just trying to figure out the type of filming that we wanted to do. So we thought we'll make something for you while doing something for us. So it was a bit of a win-win. I think it was called the South End Markets on the riverfront on London Bridge. So if you're in the area, give it a go, because the food was just, there are no words of how delicious the food was. He didn't even record me telling you what I ate, because it was gone in 0.2 seconds for a start. But he was too cold to get his hand out of his pockets to film. And then he seen a beer and thought, great idea, let's hold a cold drink in the cold. So, But yeah, it was a really nice little day, something different to do, and now we are back home in a warm. We just want to say thank you again for watching and sticking by us for all this time. And like I said earlier, if you want to see the pictures, then head to Instagram. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below, and we'll see you next time.